Welcome to M365 Professional. I always wonder how mom can do so many things at once. How she remembers everything. Every little detail. I remember my last birthday. It was perfect. Everything I asked for was there. But how? And it's not just with me. She's perfect in her work too. As a florist, she knows exactly what each customer wants. Is that magic? She has a lot to manage, but she makes it look so easy. She makes everyone's job easier. She just opens her wand, and the magic happens. There is so much she does, but she always has time for me. I know that magical sound. Her magic continues. I love my mom, and I love the way she gets things done. One day I will learn her magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.